Good afternoon, everybody. I'm back. It's July 14th. It's 12:45 p.m. and I am not on the bike, but I'm with my wife, and we took a ride up to Shell Bay, and we are at the Carol Nicolette Fishing Pier. And I just thought I would take this opportunity to record a quick video of what this is like here. It's very peaceful. There's nobody here fishing or crabbing, but I'm told that this is an excellent place from which to crab. Over there where I'm looking is the road into Stone Harbor. That's the barrier island over there. Over in this direction, I will zoom in a little bit. That bridge is into North Wildwood. There's nobody here except my wife and I. And we decided to come over here to check this out. I might bring my grandson here to fish the next time he's down. This would be a great spot to fish from. All of these bodies of water have names. I don't remember what they are, but you could easily look on Google Maps. If you just look into Google Maps and look at Carol Nicolette Fishing Pier, and that's where I'm standing. It's about 80 degrees out. Very nice. So anyway, that's it. I just thought I would, as long as I'm here, get my phone out and record a little video showing what it's like standing here on this pier, looking at the back bay. Take care, everybody. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video when I'm out on the bike. Take care, everyone.